I've heard that Hefei's been having some, a technological boom. There's so many things that I'm just like, wow. So my name's Issa. I'm from London, UK. Yeah.
Chris, what's like impressed you the most about like everything here?
I think for one, this BYD car that we've just seen here.
Yeah.
That is awesome. A lot of CT machines, which I'm not from the medical background, but I feel like if I was, that'd be super interesting. But it just looks really clean. That there was this subsidiary of a coal mining company, which have developed a fiber from some new mineral they discovered.
Okay.
Which can then allow them to create a filter which reduces their pollution for their coal mining operations, which is incredible.
Nice.
I'm going to say the metro.
Okay.
Yeah, because in London, okay, of course, we've got a lot of lines which connect you to everywhere, but the trains are loud, super busy, super hot, no AC. And it's kind of like jumping around a lot, like your left, right, center when you're holding on. But here it's just smooth, it's like efficient, it's great, yeah.